A largo plazo is something that could last a long time. Hi everyone! The Spanish word of the day is going to be an expression or an idiom. The Spanish expression of the day is a largo plazo. A largo plazo. This means in the long run, in the long term, or long term. A largo plazo refers to something that will last quite some time. Something that will take some time. It's pretty much just a long period of time. This literally doesn't make any sense. Now let's see a few examples using a largo plazo. Hay compromisos que son a largo plazo. Hay compromisos que son a largo plazo. El plan es a largo plazo. El plan es a largo plazo. So it's gonna last quite a long time. Algunos vicios son malos a largo plazo. Algunos vicios son malos a largo plazo. El comer sano beneficia a largo plazo. El comer sano beneficia a largo plazo. Voy a pagar el auto a largo plazo. Voy a pagar el auto a largo plazo. Tal vez a largo plazo las casas bajarán de precio. Tal vez a largo plazo las casas bajarán de precio. Because right now they're pretty expensive. Am I right? Okay, that was the expression of the day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Also leave some examples using a largo plazo. Subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!